Good morning. It's cloudy day today. Kanina maaraw, but it rained this morning and I think it's going to rain still. I just wanted to show what's different in the garden now. So, our dianthus is starting to bloom. Yan. Ako, kakainin na naman ni Chipmunk. And our roses, may buds na siya. There. And there. This is the peach rose. So, and our knockout also. The red knockout. Meron na rin siyang buds. There. Mahangin. Humangin. Oops. The other one, the newly planted or 3 weeks ago, wala pa. But it's doing okay. And nag-mulch kami kahapon. So, dami ng naalis na mulch from our pile in the front. Pero madami pa rin siya. And my dahlia has sprouted. Yan na siya. And some of my begonias. Kahapon, naputol ko yung sprout na yan. So, start again. So, this one is I think, yung pink something. Tapos yan, the rest. Meron na siyang sprouts. There. Ito, kakalabas ko lang kahapon. Pero meron na rin siyang sprout. And also, Asiatic lilies in the pots. Para hindi makain. Hopefully, mag-bloom din siya kahit nasa pot siya. And yesterday, nilabas ni June ang umbrella namin. The whole year, last year, hindi yan nailabas. So, medyo madumi sa pag-umulan. Sana tawag dyan, ma-wash ang taas. Pero pwede ko rin siyang i-hose. And, yan. Hindi naman masyadong mahangin. So, okay lang siya iwan. So, I'm going to take a walk. Second walk. Yesterday, I was not able to walk. Pero, nag-mulch naman kami the whole day. So, ito, lupin and Branera. So, this one, my other dahlia, sprout na rin. So, ito pa lang na mulch namin sa side na to. So, I have to put more. Tapos, nilipat ni June yung fern. So, mukhang buhay naman siya kasi meron siyang green still. And this one are the white hibiscus. Okay, so ito, na-mulch din. Pero hindi pa tapos. So, lagyan ko pa. And these are our yellow bearded iris. Ang ganda. Buti hindi nga siya nag-flop with the rain. So, ganda. Ngayon lang ko siya nakita na hindi pa nagfa-flop. So, hopefully it will stay like that. And ito, na-mulch din namin. Pero hindi pa rin tapos. There are small pockets that I have to fill in. And itong rose ko. Ay, sana mabuhay pa. I just saw na meron para siyang dapat bud. Ayun o, may bud na siya dapat. So, ayoko pa siyang galawin. Baka lalong mamatay. Still hoping that it will recover. Yan lang. So, yan. Still have to put mulch. Small pockets. Tapos, the bearded iris na purple. Ganda din. Hopefully, more blooms next year. So, this is the other rose. Still growing. Wala pang buds. Ayan. Itong bleeding heart, malaki na siya pero no buds yet na antayin namin. Okay, ang ganda-ganda nitong Forever Red na Euchera. So ito, na-mulch na din. So dito sa harap, kailangan ko pang i-start ulit or dagdagan. So walk-walk muna ako. So this is the difference. I don't know if you can tell. Lumiit na siya, 'di ba? So yung mga black, yan yung dating meron pa. Meron pang mulch. So yan na siya ngayon. Improving, pero madami pang kailangang ilagay. Okay, walk-walk muna ulit. So ganito na itsura niya. Big improvement, right? Pero dami pa. Okay, walk, walk, walk. I had to go inside to get my watch. Bye. So we bought gladioli bulbs from Ollie's last Sunday, and color is peach. That's why I was attracted to it. So there are 10 bulbs here, and I plan to. This is what the bulbs look like. They look okay. And I plan to plant 3, 3, and 4. So 4 bulbs in the excuse me. 4 bulbs in maybe in the front, and then 3 on the side, and another here at the back. So it says it has to be full sun, and after danger of last frost, so until June, and flowering period is summer, and it reaches a height of 40 inches, and you have to plant it for a depth of 3 inches, and distance from each other is 6 inches. Pero I think I like it when they're all together or in a bunch. That's what I saw in other gardens, and they look good. But maybe because they they spread or not spread, or they grow more bulbs. Okay, so maybe I'll plant them later after finishing some of the mulch small spots that I have to fill in, or maybe tomorrow. Okay, and just wanted the last look. Very nice color. Okay, so I have 2 corms here. So 10 corms sila lahat-lahat. There, the corms. And I will plant 2 here. So they say 6 inches deep and 6 to 8 inches apart. So I'll just put 2 here and maybe 1 over there. And I will pour some castor oil around it para hindi makain daw. Okay. So let's just I'll put some castor oil around. Ay, hindi pala nakikita. Ayan. To make it not appetizing to the balls and the moles. Okay. Close ko na siya. Puntahan ng ano. Okay. So there are 2 gladioli there. So I don't forget this spot. Peach gladioli. Okay, and then maybe just 2 here. And hanap na lang ulit ako ng ibang mapaglalagyan. Okay, I think it's going to rain. Bye for now. Hello, hello. It's a sunny day today. A bit cold, but it's okay. Just wanted to show the butas, all the holes. Hole there, hole there. Another big hole there. Ay, nako. But I'm just so happy. My dianthus started blooming. So, kailangan bantayan na naman because chipmunk will eat it again. Pero hopefully, madami pa siya ibang kinakain. Oh. Tapos, inabangan ko na yung aking mga roses, aming roses with buds. Yan. So, I haven't finished mulching. Ang na-mulch ko yung other side. So, yan. Oh, may butas na naman dun. And, yan. I planted 2 gladioli there. Dun sa may mga white markers. And, nag-bloom na, nag-open na tong aming lupin. Pero ganyan lang pala siya kahaba. Yung mga nakita namin sa store kasi mas mahahaba. Na mali yata kami ng kuha. Pili-pili pa naman kami. Anyway, so I finished mulching this part. So, in front of the 2 markers, meron na namang 2 gladioli. And my dahlia. Look at our foxglove. Open na. Open na yung buds. Ang ganda. So, after 2 years, second year. This year is the second year. So, last year, foliage lang siya. Hindi siya nag-flowers. So, leave ko ulit yung mga flowers na yan para pag nag-seed, magkakalat ulit siya ng babies. Okay. Na-allium, naging green na. And here, bako-bako na naman itong mga ginagawa ng mga chipmunk na to. So, the fern, hopefully, it will survive there. Here, still have too much. None. Look at the Paris coral bells. Ganda ng flowers niya. Tapos, this is the other half. Other half. Kahit maliit siya, nag-flower pa din. And the half of the heuchera. Medyo natatakpan siya, no? So, hindi siya masyadong lumalaki. Or, okay lang naman din siya. Part shade. And here is our yellow irises. Ganda. Buti hindi pa siya nagpa-flop. Flop. And here, ayan, mga butas. Butas. Okay. And there. And there. Yun. Minulch ko yung around that tree. Okay. Okay. Went to Lowe's kanina and just to look around. And I couldn't resist this red dianthus. Look, it's so vibrant. I was supposed to just buy the one that I bought last time. It was only $4 and smaller that I could divide, but the flowers were smaller and it was darker red. So at first that was the one I got in this other dianthus because it has so many buds. And look, color is uh nice too, and the pattern of the flowers ganda. But then from afar, this color is really striking. So I went back and got it. Konti na nga lang natira because one of the customers there also got one. Ang ganda kasi talaga ng color. Although some parts of the plant floppy. Pero I think that's just because it's tall. So hopefully maging okay siya. Yan, madami din siyang buds. Pinili ko yung mga ano, and I have to deadhead. So this one is from Monrovia. Kita yung mga shoes ko. This is from Monrovia. And naputol na yung ibang stems. And it's Super Trooper Scarlet Dianthus. So it's full sun perennial. So mga 10 to 14 inches in height to. Oops. And it's hardy from 0 degrees to -10 degrees. And it blooms spring to summer. Okay, so yan ang kanyang stats. So from Monrovia, it's the Super Trooper Scarlet Dianthus. So very striking ang kanyang pagka-red. Excuse my shoes. And the other one is from Proven Winners. So, ganda rin. It's purple naman. Purple with red. So, yan. And yung sides niya, frilly. From Proven Winners. And it's called sayang nga to, dami pang blooms, so, daming buds, kaso naputol. So, hopefully, okay pa rin siya. So, this one is the Fruit Punch Black Cherry Frost. And it's full sun to part sun. Perennial din siya. Tapos, it's hardy to -30 degrees. So, mas hardy siya. And so, zone 4 to 9. Zone 4 to 9. Height is 8 to 10 inches. So, and it blooms early summer. Pero naka-bloom na siya because galing sa greenhouse. And so, early summer and reblooms in early fall. So, full to part sun siya. And they're both very, very fragrant. Ang bango-bango nila. That's why I like it. So, I plan to put this in the front. Sa front garden, beside the juniper. Kasi napakalit ng juniper namin. And this one, maybe on the side. Okay, so kailangan ko i-deadhead para gumanda-ganda. Okay, so that's it from my clearance haul from Lowe's.